We're from Rome.
We're Jacob and Beth. We fell in love with travelling since we got engaged in Paris in December 2022. We are now a young married couple that love to travel into new places. So join us in this video as we travel to Rome! We're here for breakfast.
Good morning. So we have just left our hotel and are currently on our way to the Trevi Fountain. Beautiful fountain. Yeah, we're walking there now, so I guess I'll see you there.
That's massive.
What is it?
It looks cool.
That in there looks really cool. So I just want to point out that the buildings here, they're really nice. The architecture is beautiful. Let me just show you. Another reason why this is a beautiful, beautiful city is the fountains. There's fountains everywhere and they are really nice.
Just a little spin of where we are right now. We came from that way. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Where are we?
I think we're at the Trevi Fountain.
Yes, we believe the Trevi Fountain is literally just around that corner there. So here we are.
It's so much bigger than I thought.
We're at the Trevi Fountain. We're going to have a look around, show you a couple of videos. Here we are at the Trevi Fountain. It is really beautiful. We've taken lots of photos, lots of videos. I'll pop them in now.
Just to reference how big the Trevi Fountain is, that's one of the men that's cleaning it. Right there.
We just heard.
Wow.
We got here at, what time did we get around here?
At 7:30.
We got here around 7:30. We've been here for how long?
Half an hour.
About half an hour.
8:10.
It's now 8:10 and then we've kicked everyone out and then we've just heard it's not going to be a reopening. Like, we can sit here, but like down there is shut. And then we heard about when it's opening, 4 p.m. So we're lucky we got here early. They're cleaning the fountain.
Oh my.
So we've left the Trevi Fountain and we're currently on our way to our next attraction. I don't think I'm going to give it away yet.
Wow.
I think I'm going to show you it.
You can guess it.
I think you can probably guess. We're in Rome.
This seems
Where does
like
everyone else
one
go?
of the roads where, you know, in like Fast and Furious, when they're in really small bits.
Yeah.
If you show that way, it really looks like
Yeah.
that. Like, this is pretty. It's got like a nice globe on top, and then Colosseum. I don't know, but it's so pretty. I don't exactly know where we are, but oh wow, are we really standing up here? I don't know where we are.
No.
I'm not exactly sure where we are right now, but let's get back on route now. A sneak peek of where we're going.
Right, we'll just keep walking that way. We know where we're going now, we don't need maps.
This makes me very tempted to get that.
You've probably guessed it. We're at the next place. It is the Colosseum.
My first photo.
Her first photo, and yes, here we are.
Guess where we're approaching. Lines aren't that bad in February. Like, obviously there's some people like there, and then it's pretty good considering. Oh yeah, and there's the Colosseum.
So we're at the Colosseum, we're just waiting outside because we have to be going at 10:30 and it's currently 9:15 around. We are in.
We made it in.
We've just scanned our tickets and now we're in the Colosseum. Waiting in the next queue.
We have to go through security.
It seems like there's like 3 sets of queues to get in.
You get scanned.
Yeah. So we made it in.
Scary with guns.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
I don't know. She has guns and everything.
Oh my gosh.
We're in. We've done security. We're now just trying to find our way.
Can I just say that took 2 minutes? Like, that was really good.
I was really worried. I was worried that we were going to be in
February.
queues and miles and miles of queues, but no.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Like 10 foot every time.
Currently trying to make our way out into the second level of the Colosseum.
No, we made it.
Well, we have made the second level of the Colosseum. And wow.
We made it. So we came out there. We've so far walked all the way along here. We took a break there and took some photos. And yeah.
So you can see there's a little cage just like there. That is from where down there where they keep all the animals. That's the cage that they put the animals in, and it would lift it up into the arena so it could join in the fight.
I love listening to little tours and then doing it.
Also, there's like for big animals, because I had elephant fights, which is, I don't know how. It just bring the elephant through the main door, and also gladiators would march through there to begin the fight.
Sounds so cruel, doesn't it? Oh my gosh.
Sounds horrible.
To build the Colosseum, it took a total of
8 years.
That's quite a while.
yeah. I'm not surprised though, look at it.
Yeah.
It's quite full.
Yeah.
I tried.
What did you get?
It's too big for my normal thing.
Put it on my thumb. Look, my thumb's a gladiator.
This is part of how they built it.
The gladiators would walk down like this, ready to battle.
Wow. Okay, I didn't think it'd be this crazy being down here. Whoa.
And instead of a drop, and that was underground.
We're gonna go there. I have to walk around here first.
So that is it. That we are done in the Colosseum. We're currently about to exit. That was really good. It was amazing, isn't it? Yeah, we're both really happy with it.
In front of the Colosseum. So down there is normally when you go in. So we came up here, up them steps there, where all the tourists are. We've stayed here for a bit, and I think we're gonna go and try and stand up there now. Just walking up here now, and then we should be able to get a really nice view. You can sit on this bridge. It is quite crowded of people trying to take photos, but yeah, some nice photos. Ask people to take photos of us. Am I the only one that thought these statues were real?
I know.
Did you think they were too?
I did.
We're just walking around the Colosseum. It's very busy. That's so pretty, isn't it? Well, I think we're done.
I think we're done, yeah. I think we're going to get transport back to the hotel and then chill, maybe go out again close to our hotel. We've done a lot of walking.
We're in the Uber now. We just got out of our Uber and now where are we?
And we're back at our hotel. Hi, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching.
Hey, the skewer's right there!
Oh, right. Maybe we'll do that in the next video. Maybe we'll hire some scooters in the next video. But yeah, this is the end of this video. We've had an amazing day. A lot of walking, beautiful views. And yeah, I guess our next video will be... Oh, actually, it'll be another country, but one that's not very far away from where we are now. So,
cheeky.
Put down in the comments if you can guess where we're going. Bye.
Bye.